Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Curve.
What does the dictionary say?
A continuously bending line, without angles.
Math rap.
Curves are what occurs in lines, when there are no sharp changes, just a smooth flow. And here's a fact that'll shock your mind: a curve can also be a straight line.
Math rap.
Get your thoughts straight and explain a curve in your own words. What would the world be like if there were no curves? In the sport of baseball, the pitcher throws what are called curve balls. Research how a pitcher can make the ball curve. My friend says hello a lot with his hands. He is very wavy. List and draw other things that are wavy or curvy. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!